Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to enable higher frame rates in PUBG Mobile. So first open PUBG Mobile and then go to the settings menu. Now open the graphics section and look for the available frame rate options. And if your phone supports a 90 FPS mode and PUBG Mobile makes that option available for your device, then select the highest supported frame rate. For that, you may need to lower the graphics quality to maintain a stable frame rate. If 90 FPS isn't available, it may be because your device or the current game version doesn't support that setting. You need to avoid using modified game files or unofficial tools to force unsupported frame rates, because this can cause instability and may put your account at risk. So you can't legitimately force 90 FPS on every phone, but you can use the highest frame rate option officially supported by your device. That was it for the video. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.